Welcome to the Super Gold 60 Key Chart Signals and Analysis. This is Morris. Let's begin tonight by looking at the Bitcoin chart through the eyes of GBTC. And this Bitcoin chart, or the GBTC, the Bitcoin Trust, is looking quite nice. There's also an important date that comes up in the middle of April of 2024, and that is the halving cycle. And the halving cycle is important for Bitcoin because it reduces supply and makes it more scarce. So it has gains scarcity, or literally there is less supply on the market. Typically, 6 months prior to that is where we are now, is when Bitcoin begins to perform quite well, certainly a place to build a position. As you can see on this particular chart, money is flowing into the GBTC, and with strong indication there will be a Bitcoin ETF trust, that this very well could turn into that, and all discount would disappear. So there's a few reasons to own this. GBTC on the chart getting a little overbought, a pullback, fill the gap is certainly possible, but it is looking quite nice on the GBTC. I want to look at an individual chart tonight on gold, and then we will get to the ETF. But let's look at Wheaton. Now, Wheaton, we got a beautiful entry at $40.75. Now we're up here at about $43. We've been as high as nearly $44. Getting a little bit of a potential right shoulder. And in this kind of bull market in the metals, it may not be much more. In other words, this could be it. That tip below could be the right shoulder, and it could just explode higher. It's potentially setting up right now for a bull flag, and if it does, we could see price explode on the Wheaton chart. Wheaton is certainly a strong chart and one of my favorites. Now let's move to the gold ETF, the GDXJ. We had another very nice entry on price. We came in at about 32 and went a little bit lower. Here comes volume, very strong action. Again, the pullback isn't showing me much. You want to keep in mind, one thing I like to point out, once you've been RSI 30, you're looking for RSI 70. So we've certainly seen 30 recently. We're not close to 70. I see this market moving up to 39.5. Volume indicators certainly looking good. Candlesticks looking good. Overall chart pattern retaking lost ground, coming right back through that area. What had been support and we lost it, we quickly regain it. Looking very, very well. So a number of these gold charts certainly looking solid. GDXJ, I see it going higher, as well as Wheaton. Now let's talk about the special weekend offer, and that is the Super Gold Trader Premium Service. For investors who like a bit of action but not too much, my SGT Super Gold Trader newsletter is good. We're long JNUG, the Leverage Junior ETF, from near that low price on that. We have a super tight stop on that trade and all trades, by the way, to protect capital. At $4.99 a year, it's basically a trader's ATM machine, and it's doing a special offer this weekend, makes it a super ATM, $249 for 14 months. And to qualify, simply shoot me an email. We'll get you set up and a part of the Super Gold Trader family. That's all for now. This is Morris with Super Gold 60 saying thank you.